Working on this Firebird today, and I just completed a task that I thought I'd share with you guys. Just a little tip. Sometimes when you're working inside wheel wells, either mud flaps or trim pieces like this, you'll have these screws that are sometimes hard to get at with a screwdriver. You can take a screwdriver bit or a socket screwdriver bit and a 1/4 inch ratchet, and you'll be able to sneak right in there. A system like this, you can apply the force that you need to get the friction inside the head of the screw so you don't strip it out. Sometimes they're just too far gone, like this back one was. So my tip on that, just take your cutoff wheel, try to line it up with one of the directions of that cross, and cut right down the middle a little channel. And then you'll do the same thing with one of these guys. Cutting that channel in the screw also will heat it up, making it easier to remove the screw. You can see there what I've done. That's the best way to get in these tight spaces, and then get all your trim off. Hope that helps. Till next time.